Hey there, Internet. Today, I want to show you my brainstorming on a CNC grinder idea. So there's a guy named 10C33 who did a pretty cool video on making lathe tools from broken drill bits at a high-speed steel. And I've got my fourth axis build here, and it's bolted to the old table from the micro mill that I'm no longer using. So I've got some feeding in and out this way, and then over here, kind of precariously attached to this angle block, and then strap clamped down to this steel table, which is pretty beefy. Right here, I have my feed in and out from my old compound on my lathe that I also no longer use. And then this is obviously a lathe tool holder. And this is a custom-made holder for this, whatever brand it is. RB Machine Manufacturing Company rotary tool. So that's I made some cotter split cotter pins to secure this in there. It's in there pretty good. So that gives me a feed in and out, and it also gives me the ability to rotate this. And I did a test cut. So that's my first test cut. The gibs on the gibs on here are not adjusted correctly. I need to tighten the gibs up a little bit. It's pretty poorly machined, and there's there's not much compromise between it doesn't move and it wobbles all over the place. But anyway, that's the quality. And then this is a piece of high-speed steel that I accidentally thought was regular steel, and I was trying to focus. I was actually trying to bore a hole in here, and I broke a carbide end mill off in there. So one of the things I'm doing is just opening this up so I can get that little piece of carbide out. Once I do that, I'm going to change this ER32 out for my 4-jaw chuck, which I'll go ahead and mount on here. And once I get that mounted, I can put this back in here as it mounts eccentrically, and then grind an eccentric on here for the relief for a little boring bar that I want to make. So I'll go ahead and get set up for a cut so you can see how it cuts with this setup. Okay, I'm going to take a quick pass on here just to show you what it looks like as it's running. And here we go. So hopefully that was in focus. It's not too bad. I mean, considering the wobble in this in these dovetails and the gibs. I think it's working pretty good. I just need to remember to keep it cool. And I think this has got potential. Now, if I feed this with a stepper motor, I also think it's going to improve the surface finish. But there's no question this is better than I can do by hand. So, so in the next episode, I'll go ahead and I'm gonna do a tear down on the fourth axis because I have to add some Loctite. I'll put the other four jaw chuck on here, and then I'll turn the eccentric in there. So thanks for watching.